have a very beautiful story for you. That is the story of an American scientist. Can you guess? Who is he? Yes, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was the greatest American scientist. He was born on 11th February 1847 in Milan, United States of America. Once he said, I shall not make such a thing which could harm humanity. And he succeeded in his project of life. He gave light and music to the world, and the world is getting happiness and light throughout his life because of his experiment. During his career, he made 1093 experiments, and he made patent of these experiments. I have so many incidents of his life. When he was a child, at that time, he was fired from the school. He was fired from the school because he asked too many questions. And when his teacher was teaching, why do birds fly? At that time, teacher said, because they have wings, so they fly in the sky. And at that time, he said, and as well as opposed, ma'am, kites do not have wings, but they fly. Why? He wanted to know the answer. But his madam got angry and he was ejected and fired from the school. And his mother started to teach him at home. And at that time he was very naughty when he saw a bird eating some worms. And he thought that the birds fly because they eat worms. At that time he made an experiment. He collected some worms and made a pulp of them and gave to a servant girl. When the servant girl drank the mixture, at that time she fell ill. She didn't fly. And there are so many. Thomas Alva Edison proved correct. When America was shining with light because of his bulb, whole world was filled with an expectation of happiness and light. And he proved correct because once he said that I shall not make such a thing which could destroy humanity. And he made all the experiment. He invented all the things which are making the people progressive, happy, and full of life. He set up his own laboratory as well as printing press in a railway coach. Unfortunately, one day when he was making an experiment, at that time a bit of phosphorus fell on the ground and it caught fire. And after that incident, he was ejected from his job of railway. That accident affected his life. He remained unemployed for 2 years, but he did not waste his time. He visited many laboratories as well as libraries of United States of America. One day, a friend of him took him to a factory. It was a very big factory and there was a machine. It was not working properly and many of the engineers from America was not able to repair it. But in few seconds, in a few minutes, he repaired the machine and the manager was so impressed that he was offered a job there. After that, he made thousands of experiments in his life. When he invented gramophone, at that time, the President of America invited him to the White House. At that time, he announced to make a bulb and to give light to America. At that time, all the scientists laughed at him because at that time the people used candles and they thought that it was impossible to make a bulb. And when he started to make a bulb, he did 1199 experiments, but he failed. When he was doing 1200 experiments, at that time he got success. When a press reporter asked him, what did you learn when you failed in so many experiments? He said, I learned 1199 ways of not making a bulb and I learned one way of making a bulb. And it was his zeal that after so many failures in life, he never accepted impossible or defeat in his life and he made possible from the impossible. It was the talent of Thomas Alva Edison. We must salute such a great personality, such a great scientist of America. At the age of 12, when he was facing some financial problem, At that time, he got permission of his parents to sell newspaper as well as fruits in a running train. And on that train, he used to collect information from the people. And very soon he started to publish his own newspaper. And the name of that newspaper was Grand Trunk Herald newspaper. And he also set a laboratory in a compartment of a train. One day, when he was